Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be continuing with lesson number 20, Shikhara Adavu number 3. As I have already mentioned, the first part of all the Shikhara Adavus are same, only the letter part is different. So same in step number 3, the first part will be same, the letter part is little complicated, you need to look into upon. So let's begin. Shikhara Adavu number 3, lesson number 20. First, I will show the feet movement. You need to take Aramandi posture and start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll explain now. 1, 2, 3. In foot beat there is no change. Then 5. So up to this part all the Adavus are same. Now while I have started from the right side, in the 6th beat I will lift my right leg, then turn around and sit down, balancing over toes. Now while getting up, I will stretch my right leg and turn halfway like this. The leg will be in Suchi posture. Then in the 8th beat, we have to turn around. Now I will show the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will repeat the feet movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, te, tam, dhi, te, tam, ta, te, tam, dhi, dhi, te. Again, ta, te, tam, dhi, te, tam, ta, te, tam, dhi, dhi, te. Now, along with the hands, you have to hold Shikhara Hasta, Aramani posture. Ta, te, tam, dhi, te, tam, ta, te, tam, dhi, dhi, te. Again, ta, te, tam, dhi, te, tam, ta, te, tam, dhi, dhi, te. So basically, the first part is saying ta, te, tam, dhi, te. We have to turn the hand, just repeat, tam. Then while turning back, your hand will be in Alapadma Hasta, crossing over each other, and you need to turn, and while getting up and stretching the leg, your left hand will be up and the right hand will be down in case of right side. Then the upper hand will be Kataka Mukha and the lower hand, the right hand, from this position from down